Okay, if you've seen this, you probably get an error message here with this yelling at you saying, Live reload is not possible without body or head tag. Oh my goodness, leave me alone, why you do this? So basically it's telling you that, hey, this needs a proper structure. So you kind of need to define a HTML tag. And there's something else called a head and a body. So I'm going to kind of explain everything as we go on. So the first thing we need to do is basically specify to the browsers that, hey, we are working here with a HTML document. So the way we can do that is there's a special tag here called, you do an exclamation point and you can see doc type like this, and you can write HTML. Okay, so you don't need to kind of memorize this. This is just a thing that we do once, and that's kind of it. All right, so this is, you can imagine that this is just one type thing. We never really go back to this, and we're gonna do it in all of our pages, so don't really worry too much about this. Okay, but essentially what it's saying is, yo, I'm a HTML document, so very cool. Okay, so here's where we're going to see the sandwich effect with these HTML tags. So what we're going to do is define our HTML document. Now here's a cool trick. You can hit tab and that's automatically going to complete everything. So you just write HTML and tab. And the same thing works with the H1 as well that we saw. Okay, so this basically takes two things. So this is our documents, our HTML document. And this has a head. I'm going to hit tab again. And also a body, which I'm going to do down here. All right, so as you can see, these are kind of separate. This is kind of like the parent element to these two children in here. Okay, and what this head is basically where your meta information goes in, your title that you see displayed on the website, so up here in the corner, and things of that sort for search engine optimization, for Google to find your page, to index your page. And also you're going to see that here is where we're going to link our CSS and our fonts and things of that sort. Okay, so things that are kind of in the background that we don't necessarily see on the screen. And the body basically holds all the information that we do see on the screen. So for now, let's just do one here. I'm going to say title and I'm going to say David or Sandwich Boy. Let's go back to the Sandwich Boy. Okay, so that's one here. All right, so if we hit save, all right, let's see if this refreshes automatically. Okay, there we go, Sandwich Boy we have there. Okay, and whatever we put in our body here, so I'm gonna just write a H1 sandwich and hit save, control save, and you're gonna see this popping up here. So the main part of your website is gonna be in this body, and all the rest is gonna be in the head, the information about the website, linking style sheets and things of that sort, fonts. Okay, but you probably saw that when I tabbed this over like this and I hit save, it automatically reloaded and made it nice for me. So even if I have these extra spaces, it kind of organizes everything for me. So let's introduce another extension. This one is called Prettier. So go here to the extension tab and search for Prettier. Prettier, like this. Click on this one, it looks like this, hit install, and once you do that, what you can do is go to the wrench tool here, go to settings, and you can search format, and you can enable this format on save. And basically it formats the code for you if a formatter is available. So Prettier is a formatter. And it's just going to keep your structure very organized, even if you write sloppy code or you kind of give random spaces here. So this kind of looks hard to read, but when you save, it does it automatically for you. And it's kind of nice because you can see what parent is whose parent and who are the children. So I know that the head is the parent of the title and the body has a parent of H1. Okay, so this kind of keeps everything nice.